In this video, I will show you how to cast off in ribbing. By casting off in this way, you will get a stretchy edge to your knitting. Today we will be using Super Trooper Wool in pink blush and a pair of 3.5 knitting needles. Let's get started. Knit in 1x1 rib until you reach your desired measurement. You're now ready to cast off. Do this by knitting your first stitch. So insert your needle, wrapping your yarn. Then going to purl the next stitch. So you're working in your 1x1 rib pattern. Wrap your yarn. You've now got 2 stitches on your needle. Using the tip of your left needle, pick up the first stitch and pull over that second stitch. You've now cast off 1 stitch. Show you that again. You're going to knit the next stitch, keeping in the 1x1 rib pattern. Using the tip of your left needle, pick up the first stitch on your right needle and pull over that second stitch. So the next stitch will be a purl stitch. Continue casting off all the stitches on the row, knitting your knit stitches and purling your purl stitches. So you now have 1 stitch left. We're going to purl that. And take your left needle, using the tip, pull that stitch over. So now cut your yarn and then thread your end through that last stitch. You can remove your needle and pull to secure. This is how your 1x1 rib cast off edge should look. You can see it's got a little bit of extra stretch to it, so it's a really nice finish for a rib. And that's how you make your 1x1 rib cast off.